Hello, my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about AI, large language models, and retrieval augmented generation, also called RAG. So, retrieval augmented generation is a method by which you can leverage a large language model but use it in a way where it is accessing discrete information that you provided, whether that be in an external database, whether that will be a knowledge base. Maybe there are documents or information that you give to a LLM and tell it to actually take action on those documents. This is actually a method that can be used with a lot of different LLMs, but then also there are particular AI models that are created just for this purpose. So it's designed in a way that you can give it discrete knowledge, discrete information, and have it take action on it. A great benefit to this, the way that organizations, if they want to use this particular type of way to generate information, it reduces hallucinations that you typically get in large language models. Also, large language models, because it has so much information, is very good at general information, so it's not as good at expert knowledge or more detailed information. So being able to have an LLM where it can actually look at a particular set of documents or information, maybe something external that is more up to date, that has more of your discrete information in it, and it be able to take an action in a way that makes it more valuable to your organization. So, as I said, there are some companies that are developing these features within existing LLMs, or there are systems that are particularly designed in this way. So then the data that you're accessing is external. You can pick and choose what goes into those systems. And actually, this is a way for, I think in the future, for companies to have not large language models, but little language models. So basically language models that may not have as many parameters because you may not need it. Language models that are looking at discrete bits of data, not a huge cauldron of information, and being able to give more accurate or less hallucinogenic results when people are using these models. I hope to hear a lot more companies trying to use LLMs or generative AI models in this way, because I think that this is one way that can combat not only the hallucination issue and the accuracy issue, but then also for companies who are more circumspect about what goes into those models, it can help them reduce some of their privacy risks, because of the companies are picking and choosing the information that goes into these models. They can actually not put in personally identifiable information of people, and it really lessens the risk quite a bit when companies decide that they want to use these types of tools. As always, companies still have to check for the accuracy of these tools, because they are, as I like to say, a source of information, not a source of truth. So I'm hoping to see more people use these types of methodologies, because I think it's just a new and interesting way to see people really leverage these tools in a way, and also try to counterbalance some of the negative impacts of using large language models. That's it. Thank you.